We got an indifferent shrug from the major tour companies when we inquired about seeing the industrial side of Japan. Their focus was on culture. So we planned our own tour, which took us to Nagoya, a major manufacturing city southwest of Tokyo. There we could learn about the making of fabrics, automobiles, and fine china, with an eye-opening overview of Japan's advanced railroad technology. In fact, Japan Railroad's Tokaido Shinkansen bullet train covered the 226-mile distance from Tokyo to Nagoya in less than 2 hours. And we stayed at the Marriott Associa Hotel, which was located right inside the Nagoya Railroad station. The views from my hotel window revealed an impressive city of 2.3 million, making Nagoya Japan's third most populous urban area. Besides being one of the country's major ports, the city is a manufacturing headquarters for the automobile, aviation, and ceramics industries. Looking down, I couldn't help but notice all the rooftop landscaping. Beautiful to behold, and good for the environment. Take a look. Question: is the making of fine china an art, a craft, or a production process? Renowned Japanese tableware manufacturer Noritaki would argue that it's all of the above. And we learned about the art and craft of tableware making when we visited Noritaki Garden in Nagoya. This used to be the site of Noritaki's factory, but manufacturing now takes place in the nearby suburban village of Noritaki. Here we got more of a museum experience in the craft center, where we would ooh and ah over beautiful bone china and porcelain pieces produced by Noritaki through the years. We only got a peek at the creation and decorating process. Since no photography was allowed, I turned to their website for a couple of images. Meanwhile, I can tell you a little bit about the evolution of the company while you are admiring the beautiful bone china and fine porcelain we saw on display. In 1876, two Morimura brothers started an overseas trading company that evolved from just selling pottery to actually producing it. Over time, they developed technologies for working with ceramics that led to innovations in mixing of powders, grinding and cutting of various materials, and use of abrasives for finishing many kinds of surfaces. As a result, manufacturers of all kinds have come to depend on Noritaki methods, tools, and materials to produce a wide range of products. Company sales in 2023 are more than $1 billion, of which only 5% are related to its legacy tableware business. Noritaki has now become a worldwide brand name associated more with materials engineering than with fine dining.